Alright, fans, you've all wanted to see this happen, and now it's finally begun. The universe needs heroes, and we just found one. Meet Kazuma Sato. Alright, getting started. Start with the upper body here. Then we just draw the chest thing. Alright, now here's the other half. Believe me, I plan to draw a lot of stuff from Konosuba for quite a long time. Konosuba first appeared on Netflix when I first watched it, and now I'm drawing him for real. There we are. There we are, folks. That's how you draw Kazuma Sato. And until next time, Konosuba!